Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss the concept how to convert a binary number to decimal number. So let us consider an example. This is just an example, and as this number consists of only zeros and ones, it is called as a binary number. And now we have to convert the given binary number to decimal number. So for this, just a simple process, multiply each and every bit with 2 power x. As this is a binary number, we multiply each and every bit with 2 power x, starting from the rightmost bit to leftmost bit. And the rightmost bit is called as LSB, the least significant bit, and the last bit, the left hand side bit, is called as most significant bit. So in this process, we will multiply each and every bit with 2 power x, starting from LSB to MSB, where x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. If we are having, here we are having 7 bits. So starting from 0 to 6, we will multiply each and every bit. So the first one will be 1 into 2 power 0, as this is a 0th bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the first bit is 1 and 1 is multiplied with 2 power 0. And the second bit is 0. 0 is multiplied with 2 power 1. And the third bit is 1. 1 is multiplied with 2 square. And the fourth bit is 0. 0 is multiplied with 2 cube. And the next bit is 0, 2 power 4. And the next bit is 1, 1 into 2 power 5, fifth bit. And the last one is 1 into 2 power 6. Now the next step is we should add all the resultant values to get the answer. Now, as 2 power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus, and the next resultant value is 0. Next one is 1 into 2 square, 4. Next one is 0, 0. Next 1 into 2 to the power of 5. What is 2 to the power of 5? 32. Next 2 to the power of 6. That is 64. Now if we sum up all the resultant values, we will get the required decimal number. It is 1010, not 101, but it is 101. So this will be our resultant decimal number for the given binary number. So this is how we convert a given binary number to decimal number. Now if we want to convert a binary number which is holding some decimal point, some numbers 110. If this is the given binary number, and this should be converted to our required decimal number. As we all know that if this is a decimal point, the left hand side value already we have converted by using the multiplication process, by multiplying with 2 power x. This is the same process which is carried to this right hand side of the decimal point. For example, consider this scale. This is 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The right hand side of 0 will be -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. The same process carries over here. The first bit is at 0th position, 1, 2, 3, 4 as I have discussed earlier. And after 0, the value will be -1. So we have to multiply with 2 power minus x. Okay. Let us see the example. Now this is the last bit. So 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 cube plus 0 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0. Point, and this is the decimal point, and the last 3 bits after decimal point we have 3 bits, 1, 1 and 0. So the first one should be multiplied with 2 power minus 1, and the second with 2 power minus 2, and the third with 2 power minus 3 and so on. 1 into 2 power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 power minus 2 plus 0 into 2 power minus 3. Now 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. Point 1 into 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2 plus 1 into 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 2 square. 2 square is 4. So 1 by 4 plus here it is multiplied with 0. 2 power minus 3 is multiplied with 0. So obviously the answer will be 0. And if we continue to solve this, 26, the LHS value, the left hand side of decimal point will be 26 and this will be 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 4, 3 by 4, and after decimal point 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, it will be some 0.75. The value will be 0.75. So the total value will be 26.75. This is the final decimal number for the given binary number. Same simple process. If the given value is having some decimal point, binary value is having some decimal point, then multiply with 2 power x to the left hand side of the decimal point and multiply with 2 power minus x if it is right hand side of the decimal point. This is the simple process how to convert a given binary number to the equivalent decimal number. Hope you understood. Thank you.